Hey gorgeous, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever felt like your hair just isn't getting the nourishment it deserves, I get it. Finding a shampoo that actually strengthens, repairs, and hydrates without weighing your hair down can feel impossible. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a beauty insight that actually works for you. Today, we're exploring the Unite Hair You Luxury Shampoo, a hydrating formula designed for all hair types, with a delicate floral citrus scent that promises a touch of luxury in your daily wash. This shampoo comes in an 8.5 fluid ounce bottle and is presented as a professional-grade liquid designed to strengthen, repair, and nourish hair. It's lightweight yet packed with hydrating ingredients that aim to leave hair softer, shinier, and more resilient. The floral citrus scent adds a refreshing experience during each wash, and the brand highlights that it's suitable for all hair types, which is great for anyone looking for a versatile staple in their routine. I've been using this shampoo for a few weeks, incorporating it into my normal wash routine, and here's what I noticed. The texture is silky, and it lathers beautifully without feeling heavy or stripping my hair of natural oils. My strands felt hydrated and smoother after just a couple of uses. I also tried it on different hair conditions, morning versus post-workout showers, and it maintained that softness and lightness, which is impressive for a shampoo that claims to repair and strengthen simultaneously. The scent is subtle yet uplifting, giving a little sensory boost during washing, but it doesn't linger overwhelmingly, which is perfect for layering with other scented hair products. What I love about this shampoo is how effortlessly it works into a regular hair routine. The lather is rich, it rinses clean, and it doesn't leave any residue. It's gentle enough for daily use and doesn't tangle hair, which I always look for in a hydrating shampoo. On the downside, if your hair tends to be extremely oily, you might feel the need to follow up with a clarifying shampoo occasionally, but for most hair types, this performs beautifully. Is it worth the investment? In terms of performance, it's on par with high-end salon shampoos, so the price feels justified if you're looking for a product that genuinely strengthens and hydrates while maintaining that luxury feel. Compared to other shampoos in a similar range, Unite's You Luxury stands out for its lightweight hydration and elegant scent profile, without compromising on repair or shine. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, giving it a professional, high-quality touch, and the 8.5-aught size is practical enough for travel while still lasting a good few weeks of regular use. Now, if this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other hydrating shampoos that deliver decent moisture, but may not fully match the repair and straightening benefits of Unite. If you're looking for a full luxury experience in both scent and performance, this one really shines. Overall, the Unite Hair You Luxury Shampoo lives up to its claims. It's hydrating, strengthening, and gentle on all hair types, with a scent that elevates the washing experience without being overpowering. Perfect for anyone wanting that salon-quality feel at home, it's a versatile option that fits into most hair routines seamlessly. Thank you so much for watching. The link to purchase the shampoo is in the comments and description box below. If you've tried this shampoo already, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.